What is Python? Python is a dynamically typed, general-purpose programming language that supports an object-oriented programming approach as well as a functional programming approach. Python is an interpreted and a high-level programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1989. Features of Python. Python is simple and easy to understand. It is interpreted and platform-independent, which makes debugging very easy. Python is an open-source programming language. Python provides very big library support. Some of the popular libraries include NumPy, TensorFlow, Selenium, OpenCV, etc. It is possible to integrate other programming languages within Python.